What's up guys, today's video's on the top 5 best clothing steamers 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you would like to see more details on these products and the updated prices, please check out the description below and be sure to subscribe to get more reviews. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Efficient steam day after day with NuTone XL Steam Plus, the powerful handheld steamer for efficient use on a wide range of fabrics. Boasting 1,600 W of power and continuous steam on demand, it ensures excellent results, with 20 G-min of steam flow on delicate level and 26 G-min on super turbo level. A cast aluminum heating plate with ceramic coating provides better results than ever, while a quick heat up of just 40 seconds means XL Steam Plus is ready when you are. Thanks to the steamer's revolutionary design and heated sole plate technology, it removes wrinkles in a single vertical movement, with no need for an ironing board, perfect for last-minute and on-the-go steam sessions. It can even be used to refresh and sanitize your home. Rounding it all off are convenient features including a 190 ml removable water tank for long steaming sessions and easy refills, as well as an extra long 3 meters quart and steam locker for total freedom of movement. Plus, 4 smart accessories provide added ease of use: a fabric brush for easy use on heavy fabrics, a steam bonnet for use on delicate fabrics, a door hook to easily hang your clothes for steaming, and a crease attachment for perfect creases on jackets or pants. Power cord storage, Velcro, water tank capacity 200 milliliters, power cord length 3 meters, heat up time 40 s. Number 4. To any magazine fashion closet or on any fashion photo shoot, and it's safe to say you'll see this classic, proven Jiffy upright steamer hard at work. No fancy bells, whistles or attachments here. What you get is 90 minutes of gentle, continuous steam from its 3/4 gallon water tank. It shuts off automatically for safety and is on swivel casters for easy movement. This Jiffy steamer comes backed by a 3-year warranty. We have used it many times in the Good Housekeeping cleaning lab and have always considered it the gold standard of upright garment steamers. Number 3. With over 47,000 5-star Amazon reviews, it's safe to say that the HillLife garment steamer is a consumer favorite. Simply remove the nozzle to fill the steamer at your tap, plug it in and turn it on. Just like a tea kettle, the water inside comes to a boil and pumps steam out through the vent holes. We like the large see-through water tank and long cord, and that the model this basic comes with a fabric brush and water refill cup. There weren't many negative reviews and we haven't tested this model, but a few users complained it was leaky. Number 2. This powerful garment steamer features a wide plate that doubles as an iron dryer with steam, giving you more bang for your buck. It also features 4 steam settings to accommodate different fabrics from delicates to more stubborn textiles. During testing, we were able to restore a wrinkled duvet cover right on the bed and love that it can be used vertically and horizontally without tripping. According to the brand, the 8.5 ounces water tank provides 10 minutes of continuous steam and heats up in under 10 seconds. Number 1. This Conair Turbo Extreme Steam Handheld Garment Steamer holds her Good Housekeeping seal for a reason. It's one of the best wrinkle removers we've tested. Unlike others, it has 2 steam slots, a ceramic faceplate for a smoother glide and 5 steam settings, from delicate to turbo, to cater to any fabric need. Once it starts pumping, the steam comes out continuously, so there are no extra buttons to press. The Conair includes a 3-in-1 attachment to lift fibers, protect delicates, and pull fabrics taut for better results, along with a built-in creaser to help achieve sharp pleats. We were especially impressed with how well it worked on heavy cotton pants, and with a 9-foot cord, there's freedom to roam from the outlet. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.